Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are still in Singapore Escapade. So ito, ang highlight natin is yung Jewel Changi Airport dito sa Singapore. So ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang airport. Tingnan nyo naman, CR pa lang, no? Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. So yun guys, after we roam around in the whole city of Singapore, we are now here in airport at hindi ko naabutan yung falls kaya ito na lang yung binitihan ko guys. Meron pa rin naman siyang falls and maganda din naman yung look niya. It's a big glass na mayroong waterfalls inside. Ayan, very elegant. Nakaka-amaze. Alam yun. So, and guys, this is one of the most beautiful, comfortable, amazing airport because first of all, andito na lahat. It's a one-stop airport. Andiyan na lahat. Pwede kang mag-charge, pwede kang mag-nap, pwede kang kumain. Ang daming mga food, cafe na pwede mong pilian, and marami ka din pwedeng i-shopping dito. Yun nga lang guys, expensive lang siya. So, syempre, kapag pupunta ka dito, kailangan naka-prepare naman yung budget at kailangan maging wise tayo kapag tayo ay mamimili because, you know guys, kailangan nating maging wise. So, yon. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ka rin mag-shower dito. I'm not yet sure, but all I know, pwede mong iwan dito yung luggage mo for how many hours. Magbabayad ka lang. Ayan. At least safe naman kung gusto mong mamasyal muna sa city ng Singapore. And lahat ng passage or pathway dito ay malinis, maganda, talagang maayos, hindi ka maboboring. It's very easy. Yun guys, so talagang dito pa lang sa airport para ka nang nakalipot sa buong Singapore. And I assure you that you will not get bored here because every sulok or every corner of this airport or Changi Airport is very Instagrammable. Pwede kang mag-picture-picture. Ayan yung Jewel. Hindi ko siya naabutan kasi it's already 1 a.m. in the morning. So, nag-close siya kapag, I think, midnight. And that is the train station. Malapit ito sa train station. Malapit ito sa lahat, guys. So, alam kong mai-enjoy ito ng mga gustong mag-travel dito sa Singapore. And take note, guys, if you are very good in budgeting, I think you will not spend big money here. Siguro sakto lang. So, ayan na, kapag check-in na kami and dyan sa tapat na yan, dyan kami nagnap. Ayan, may free water din dito. May mga free station na pwede kang uminom ng water basta meron ka lang lagayan tumbler. Ayan. And yun nga guys, before we go to airport, ayan, nag-church muna kami sa may, I think the name of this church is Hope Church in Singapore. And I enjoy so much my Sunday in Singapore because, you know, ang daming mga activities and talagang lahat ng oras ko sa Singapore ay gamit na gamit. And I give all the glory and honor and adoration to God because hindi niya kami pinabayaan kasi yung mga kasama ko, hindi niya kami pinabayaan wherever we are, wherever we go. Talagang andun yung presence ni Lord, and of course, we really enjoy our vacation, our travel, our seminar there kasi ang pinuntahan talaga namin sa Singapore is a seminar. It's what we call seminar for iTeams Philippines, and this is for not totally religious people, but this is for people who want to join to become a leader, a missionary, a tent maker outside the country of the Philippines. So, ayan guys, gusto kong marinig nyo yung audio nitong aming pinapanood dito sa Hope Church.
lay between us. How high the mountain I could not climb. In desperation, I turned to heaven, spoke your name.